Hello and welcome. If you're watching this video, that means that your Airbnb host has enabled some self-check-in features on the Airbnb platform. It's my job to help you find your self-check-in instructions so that way you're prepared for your trip and that way you'll enjoy your stay. So this means you've just booked your Airbnb trip. There will be two ways to find your house manual, and the first one is to check your email. You will see an email titled Reservation Confirmed for your city. For example, if you're traveling to Dallas, Texas, it will say Reservation Confirmed for Dallas. Now, when you click on that and scroll down, you will see that there's an option to view full itinerary. This will include your house manual. Another option is if you're on the desktop computer, go into the Airbnb website and click on Trips. It will show your upcoming reservations, select the one that you want to see, and then from there will be an option to view itinerary as well. If you're looking in both of these places and you still cannot find your house manual, that means that your trip is more than 3 days from now, which means you could either wait until 3 days prior to your trip to get your check-in instructions, or you can also view the house manual one last way. If you're on the Airbnb app, go into your inbox where you'll message your host for instructions, and above your conversation you will see Details written in blue. Click on Details, and then from there scroll down and you'll see View House Manual. This will give you all the instructions that the Airbnb host has written for you. There is also an option for check-in instructions which you will not see until 3 days before your reservation. This will also include photos to help you on arrival. But for now, you can use the house manual to get most all the details you need. After reading your house manual, you are welcome to contact your host for further instructions. This video was provided by Airbnb Automated. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your trip.